Hi guys, today we're going to be fitting a diffuser on the back of a 4 Series Grand Coupe. I think it's an F36. This beast here. I'm assuming it's going to look like mine on my 3 Series. Let's go. So this is how it looks before we've done the job. This is the standard one. And now we're going to put the new one on. Underneath here, on the sides, you've got 2 screws underneath here.
Oh, do you know what they're called though?
I think it's about 8mm. I don't know what it's called, but we just Allen key type of thing in it. Well,
no, you have to call it legit.
Whatever it is. This guy's very precise. He wants to call it the actual name, but I'm just telling you it's an 8mm. It's an 8mm. There's 2 on the ends, yeah. There's one here and one there, and the rest are T20s, yeah, in the middle. How many's in the middle? About 4?
Yeah.
Or less?
3.
There's 3 in the middle, yeah, that's T20s, and on the side you got 2 8mm ones, so you unscrew them, and then I think the top bit is just clips. The top bit's just held in with clips in it, so just gently pick it out. Push against the bumper with your other hand so it doesn't rip it off. There. That's that piece. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. When you're lining up the clips, just make sure you're going in at the right angle. It's not going to go in properly. Just doing one side and I'm moving on to the next. This is how the new one looks, blacked out. It's got the extra little grill type of bit on. So putting it on is just the reverse order of how we took it off.